Hi everybody, sorry for the lengthy delay. It's 11:05 and 8 seconds on October 17th. I waited long enough for the payment on the 4 spots, almost an hour. Saw the gentleman reading the messages asking me to please send payment. I've tagged him numerous times. With about 20 minutes to go, I said I'm going to give you till 11 o'clock. No response. I got to move on. I got stuff to do today. So, payments are always due immediately. I'm not trying to be a prick about this. I'm just telling you that's the way I do things, okay? So let me kind of get myself a little flustered here. It's 14 is the roll. Over here are the 15 filled spots, okay? Whoever comes in first gets the first 4 spots in the main, first 4 available spots in the main. Whoever comes in second gets the last 2. I will immediately run the main, and here we go. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and here comes the final one. 14. Will Lehman gets 4. Dave Byers gets 2. Time is 11:06.